Hi friends, so good evening. Welcome to Saral Trader. Today we are going to review the weekly update. So first we will start with the small cap index futures. So this is the chart of RTY. So we had this signal and this signal kept on running and we got a reversal here. Now we got another signal yesterday and the signal came at 2320 and we made a high of around 2335. So intraday I had taken a position and I kind of booked it. Half of it, I'm remaining half, I'm still holding. Small cap index, if you see on the daily charts, we are in a bullish momentum now. And as long as we are trading above 2280 to 2270, only long trades should be taken. There is some resistance being built up here, but we are still bullish as long as we are trading over these levels. 2275 is the key level to watch. Above that, only bullish. Now, if you look at S&P 500 futures, so S&P 500 futures, if you see the hourly charts, again similar structure. We got a very sharp move up, and that signal has reversed now. But we are in a very uptrend, a very strong uptrend on the lower time frames. So as long as we are trading above 6009, Saral will only look for long positions here. On the smaller time frame, if you go for half an hour, you can see, there has been, there is, I mean, we are in a very straight line until unless we start trading below this level, this key line, taking short positions can be suicidal, in my opinion. So only look for long opportunities, and if you want to take my signals, you can join my futures group. Now let's look at gold. Gold, if you look at the daily charts, gold is very bullish. It's completely trading, you know, in a very big uptrend. It went up, signal came at 2665, went up to 2735, almost, 70-point move. Then there was some retracement, but we are trading above this key pivot, and the momentum is very sharp. On a smaller time frames, if you see, there was on a smaller time frame, of course, it's a choppy, then you got another signal, then you got another signal. But even if you're trading the hourly charts, there are very good movements. 275 to it went up to 2775, which is around $2,000 point, 20 points move, which is $2,000. Then you have another move here, pretty good. So it is in a momentum, and let's chase the momentum. Now, if you look at the ETFs, we booked full profits in PAVE. PAVE, we got 3.5%. That was our target. Now, if this retraces again, we may take another trade here. So PAVE ETF, which is the infrastructure ETF, we have booked the profits. Now, NextEra Energy is one of our open trades, and it is trading at the key pivot here. And today it had some results. Initially, it came down in the morning, and then there is a massive buying pressure that came up. So, NextEra Energy we are still holding, and our target is basically around 86. That's our target. Now, HDFC Bank. Now, HDFC Bank, which is the HDB, we have a counter trend trade. We got a very big move here. The position was in green. There were some very good results announced, but then the entire move fizzled out today, yesterday and today, and we are in a downtrend right now. India markets are facing headwinds currently, and they are down, but in the counter trend trade we hold the positions, so we are still holding. We also took India ETF, INDL. So India ETF also, there was a gap up yesterday, and then today there was a gap down. So what we are adding it is 2x ETF. I think it's oversold now, Indian markets. The only thing here is that the currency can currency is depreciating because of the high dollar getting strong, and also so that is one thing that we need to watch over. Another ETF that is on our radar now and which we will planning to buy is XLRE. This is the real estate index ETF, and we if you look at it, we took support. This is also an annual volume shelf here, and then we have gone up, and we are currently in a sideways move, but we have the signal here, so we will initiate our position and we will expect the targets coming up there. So this is a very interesting setup that we are having. uh, Baba. So on Baba, we have got very good follow through today. We got the signal here. We already entered with our hedges, and now it is heading up. The possible targets, if this really breaks out, the first target is 95, and then the next target is going to be, second target is going to be 100, and 110 kind of a range. And then, we can actually, the long term target for this year is 120. So that's what we are watching out for. Tesla. So Tesla is, I think it's going to again come back to 381 range, and then from 381 range, we can possibly see a move up. But for now, after this massive rally, it is showing weakness. If you look at Bitcoin, so Bitcoin, if you see Bitcoin futures, we have a bullish signal, and there was a lot of choppiness on the intraday charts. This is a signal, we went up, and then we got a, it's kind of, I think my opinion is that we will go and touch 115, in another month or 2 months kind of scenario. So we will basically trade it with our system. And if you're trading Bitcoin futures, the best thing is to trade it on charts which are regular hours. Let's see crude oil. So crude oil, as I told you, crude oil is in a correction mode, and it gave a very huge rally. If you see the daily charts, there was no stopping. It went up, up, and up, and there, it faced. On the weekly charts, I gave a target of 74. 74 target is almost met. We made a low of 74.03. So this target is met now, and I think the corrective wave is over, and we might see a move towards 77 again. So I have not taken a position, but I may take a position here on crude oil. So this is it. Nvidia, we'll quickly see. Nvidia, again, it's a bullish setup. Only looking for bullish opportunities in this area, and we will be targeting. Once we will be looking at a re-entry. We got this entry which we missed actually, and then we also missed this one because we were trading some other. So we will wait for another entry, and we will take a long entry. We are basically in Saral system, we are only long biased. So if you quickly look at SPX chart, so on SPX, we are trading above this key resistance. If you look at slightly long-term charts here, 90 days chart, this is, we have broken out of this range that was there. And if you look at it, yes, now in this area, this gap fill will happen, or it may not even happen. We are in a bullish scenario. There is a signal that bears tried today, but the signal has not worked out. I think we may see, if this area market comes into 60451 or 60, this is the area where you should enter your long positions again. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, do let me know. You can comment, and you can follow us on Twitter, and you can also join our Telegram channel. Thanks.